Hello everyone, you're welcome to today's lesson and I'll be teaching you how to solve equations like this. So starting with our number 1 example, this is 5 over 8t is equals to 10. You know, in mathematics, whenever you see a letter besides a number, it means multiplication. So we are looking for t. What is t? To get t, what we have to do, we have to multiply both sides. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So we'll multiply the both sides by 8. So this will be equal to 5 over 8t times 8 is equal to 10 times 8. We are using 8 because we have 8 as our denominator. Assuming you have 6, you multiply by 6. Any number you have under, that's the number you use to multiply both sides. I hope you understand. So we are using 8 to multiply both sides because we have 8 as our denominator. So let's go. This 8 will cancel 8. So we'll be left with 5t, which is equal to 10 times 8 is 80. To get it, we'll divide both sides by 5. So this will be equal to 5t over 5 is equal to 80 over 5. 5 will cancel 5, we'll be left with only t, which is equal to 80 divided by 5 will give us 16, and that's our answer. Let's go over to number 2. This is number 2. We have 3x plus 11 is equal to 23. So we are looking for x. What is x? And to find that, we have to make this to remain only at the left hand side. We have to bring this to the right hand side, and to do that we have to subtract 11 from both sides, so that when we subtract it will cancel this one out. So this will be equal to 3x plus 11 minus 11 is equal to 23 minus 11. As you can see, we have subtracted 11 from both sides, from the left hand side and from the right hand side. Plus 11 minus 11 is 0, so we'll cancel it out. We'll be left with 3x, which is equal to 23 minus 11 will give us 12. So we have 3x is equal to 12. We are still looking for our x. To get this, we have to divide both sides by 3. So this will be equal to 3x divided by 3 is equal to 12 divided by 3. 3 will cancel 3. We'll be left with x, which is equal to 12 divided by 3 will give us 4, and that's our answer. This is number 3. We have 6y minus 20 equal to 16. This is just like the number 2 example we just solved, but the only thing is that we are having a minus sign. So for us to make this to remain at the left hand side alone, we have to add 20 to both sides. So this will be equal to 6y minus 20 plus 20 is equal to 16 plus 20. I told you we are adding 20 to both sides. Why are we adding? Because we have a minus sign here. When you have a minus sign here, that means you are going to add 20 to both sides. But when you are having a plus sign, that means you are going to subtract 20 from both sides. That's why I gave this example, so that you will not be confused. So let's go. Minus 20 plus 20 is 0. So we'll cancel this out. So we are left with 6y is equal to 16 plus 20 will give us 36. So now we are still looking for our y. To get this, we'll divide both sides by 6. So 6y divided by 6 is equal to 36 divided by 6. 6 will cancel 6. We'll be left with y, which is equal to 36 divided by 6 will give us 6. And that's our answer. Finally, we have our last example. 5 over 6x minus 7 is equal to 33. So we are looking for x. We have to make only this that has x, because we are looking for x to remain at the left hand side. We have to bring this out, remove this. So to do that, we have to add 7. We are adding 7 to both sides because we have a minus sign. Assuming we have a plus sign, that means we'll be subtracting 7 from both sides. But here we are going to be adding because we have a minus sign. So this will be equal to 5 over 6x minus 7 plus 7 equal to 33 plus 7. So we have added our 7 to both sides. Minus 7 plus 7 is 0. We cancel this out. So we are left with 5 over 6x is equal to 33 plus 7 will give us 40. So we are still looking for our x. And what we have to do, we have 5 over 6. So we have to multiply both sides by 6. And this will be equal to 5 over 6 x times 6 is equal to 40 times 6. 6 will cancel 6. Then we will be left with 5x, which is equal to 40 times 6 will be equal to 240. 40 times 6 is equal to 240. So we are still looking for our x. We have 5x is equal to 240. To get what x is, we divide both sides by 5. So this will be equal to 5x divided by 5 is equal to 240 divided by 5. 5 will cancel 5. We are left with x now. 240 divided by 5 will give us 48. And that's our answer. If you're wondering how I divided this so fast, kindly check our previous video where I taught how to solve for division. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next class.